Paul of the Diecast Graveyard YouTube channel has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff I sent to him, and here's what he did with it. According to Paul, the year is 2069 at a missile silo in Wisconsin. There are 3 airmen inside the missile silo when all hell breaks out. All this tension has been caused by a worldwide cheese shortage. This is why the stores in Wisconsin were vitally important. Since the nuclear holocaust has happened and a weapon hit directly near the missile silo, everyone in the area has met with demise. The only 3 remaining survivors in the area are the 3 airmen that just happened to be inside the missile silos. Mostly all vehicles were destroyed, and all communications are completely wiped out, so these men have no contact with their families. They're all very desperate to find out the fate of their families, so they strike out scrounging anything they can to make a dependable vehicle to leave the area. This consists of cannibalizing anything they can get their hands on that will allow them to become mobile. Did I say there was a worldwide cheese shortage? In Wisconsin, this normally wouldn't be an issue, but they are literally sitting on the pulse of what is to become the most precious commodity in the world. So they put together this vehicle to strike out to find their families, and every available space inside the vehicle is filled with different types of cheese. They've built a refrigeration unit inside the vehicle to try to keep things from spoiling. They are also thinking that if they have to, they could use the cheese as currency in exchange for other precious things like ammunition. So they are about to leave the missile silo and embark out in this new vehicle that they made by hand to search for their families and loved ones. Will they make it? I love this build, Paul. It looks fantastic. It's really cool. Thank you so much for taking the challenge. Everyone watching this, if you're not already subscribing to Paul's channel, be sure and check out the links in the description for this video. There's links to not only his YouTube channel, but other social media sites of his. Everyone, I hope you enjoy this video. Stay safe and healthy out there, and I'll catch you in the